I connect Hire Smart TV as a second monitor for my laptop via HDMI. Let's see how to connect laptop to Hire Smart TV using HDMI. First, connect an HDMI cable from the laptop to the TV. Now go to the TV. Go to the settings. Click on Input. Now select HDMI 1. After selecting, the TV automatically connects to the laptop. Hire Smart TV is now connected to the laptop via HDMI. Now the TV is acting as a duplicate display for the laptop. If you want to use your TV as a second monitor for the laptop, right-click on the laptop. Click on the Display Settings option. From here, select Extend this display. Now arrange the displays in the right places. Now you can use the TV as a second monitor for your laptop via HDMI.